Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit. And today I have a finished object for you, and this time they're socks. So these are leftover socks number 7. I got into the habit knitting with the leftover yarn, and lately I've been so lucky to receive some yarn from friends. And this leftover, and you probably would say that it's a full size. Aren't they cute? Although I'm calling them leftovers, as you may probably notice, they're really a full size socks. And I received 57 grams off, and I lost this piece of paper of this yarn. So here it is on the screen, and I got it left over from Viviette, and we did swap during a woolen yarn festival, and she got some from me, and I know she's knitting with them too, so I'm so happy. I'm going to check her finished object soon. And if you want to do that, do not worry, she has a podcast which is Knit and Sit with Viviette. I'm going to link it down below, so check it out. What she did with this yarn, and she sent me a photo. Here on the screen you can see what did she knit with it. Their pattern and mine is just plain knitting. I knitted these toe up. I did a different toe, and that toe will be included in my new pattern, so have your eyes peeled. Will be called Trip for Toe, and I did kind of the same in the pattern ribbing, one by one, but the beginning is slightly fancier and slightly different lined up, but obviously you can use whatever you want. In case you've never knitted socks before, I'm going to link down below to step-by-step tutorial how to knit socks, basic way with a basic toe, afterthought heel, basic, and you know, 2x2 ribbing. Well, my favorite basic thing, but lately I'm just feeling a little bit adventurous, so I'm trying new things. Thank you, by the way, for checking my patterns on Ravelry. Link is down below. If you're interested to knit any paid for patterns or free patterns, check them out. And also, don't forget, there's a cal going on, knit, crochet, make along. You can make and crochet anything, so check the Ravelry group for that too. You can enter anything. Right, you may notice the contrast colors heels. I just use Drop Stable color 100, my very deep old stash, and I'm basically using it for this. And I'm knitted it on US size 1, which is 2.25 millimeters. I get 8 stitches per inch, and I already kind of occupy them. So this is the needle set. You can have a peek of my next whip and next actually leftover sock. I got it from someone. So again, not my leftovers, mixing with the same thing, but leave it for now. This is what I'm using. Because you've asked for it, I'm using 2 types of needles. One is 18 centimeters cord, so this is long cords. It's called circular knitting needles, and you know, size that you want to get the gauge or you're happy with the fabric with. And then I'm switching into 9-inch. So normally what I do, I just put needles here for 9-inch and clip it through the fabric. So let's take it out. So this how the 9-inch looks like. And if you're interested how I knit with 9-inch circulars, I put a link down below too, so you can check it out, how I do it. And also you could see that I have 2 yarns over here, and I do the helix, I think, method, they call it helix. Simple thing that you can use for everything. If you want to hear more and check more, don't forget to subscribe, because the next one, leftover sock, will be that one. Although it won't be next video. The next video is a different finished object socks. But I hope you enjoyed this one. If you're interested in what I'm wearing, link down below to my project page on Ravelry, and use the hashtag knitting I love. Show me what you're knitting, what you have on your needles, on your hooks too, crocheters, and I hope to see you next one. Bye!